This is the TSLA one-day reading for October 21st, 2024. It's currently September 23rd, 2024, 12:40 p.m. Eastern Time. TSLA at the time of this reading, $247.83. That's USD. The shuffle video for the October 21st reading was created on August 4th, 2024 at 5:50 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there. But always pay attention to the sequence of events, because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. There's a notable fake out or shakeout as an overall theme or chart behavior here on the 21st. A notable fake out or shakeout, something intentionally, chart related intentionally for the purpose of like creating impulsive wrong decisions. There's a nullified high card, so a period of volatility and a sharp drop. Within that period of volatility, likely that sharp drop comes back to like, it doesn't hold, or we don't stay to the downside, I should say. And then the behavior around the low, so the full card indicating a significant and improbable trade opportunity at the low. I'm advised to trade around a disappointing failed attempt to break through key resistance and a decline through key support. And that disappointment is that technicals will lead us to believe we're going to break out through it, but instead we turn around and we decline. And there's a good day trade in here I'll talk about in the monthly access version of this video. In the pre-market, we open higher. There's a rally increasing with momentum moving forward into the open, where we have a crest that we sell off from at an important technical price level on a multi-day scale. We should crest through it momentarily and then decline down to and through support to do a U-shaped reversal below that support, come back and reuse it as support, and we'll create a low in there as we do that. There's a fake out there because we have like this move to a peak around 10 o'clock. It's a near overbought crest that we sell off from again through multiple support levels. It looks like there's a decline through multiple support levels. It ends somewhere around 11 o'clock. There's a bit of a rally into a peak around there, somewhere between the peak that we sell off from around 10 o'clock into a decline. Somewhere between that decline and 12 o'clock, we should turn around and have a notable rally into another peak, not quite as high as the first one. Advised not to chase that. That's that failed attempt to break through resistance that we're going to expect to break through based on technicals. Instead, we're going to turn around and decline through there. A lot of price change midday to the downside, taking us to probably another low or lower low for the day, out of which there's a rally, a sideways fluctuating rally between roughly 12:30-ish, 1 o'clock and 2. That sideways fluctuating rally turns over. We have a bit of a drop into a trough, around 2, but that doesn't last long. There's a big move to the upside, a breakout to the upside, turning into an overbought crest in the last hour. The breakout to the upside somewhere around 2 to 3, and then an overbought crest in the last hour that we should sell off from through multiple supports, a pop and a drop at the close with a U-shaped dip in the post-market. And that's TSLA for October 21st, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one. You go to our website, Tier for Traders, hover over our order now, click on subscriptions. The monthly access subscription is the middle one. It's $300 a month, vastly underpriced. You get live trading alerts on Discord for a bunch of the most popular tickers and crypto, as well as live updated trading view charts where we draw entry and exits. Great way to support the channel, my friends. Also, the only way you get these day trades for Tesla in the month of October. It's not an every month thing. Yeah, so that important resistance level there's a bit of a trade opportunity in there. So we're going to break down from that resistance to a low. In the midst of that low, you could try and grab a long position in the midst of that decline. It's a little risky though. If you do grab the long position, you're going to want to close it before 12 at that second peak, the one where we're going to be tempted to chase a rally. That's where you want to close it. But a better trade would be to open up a short position in the midst of the failed attempt to break through key resistance. It'll be like the resistance from here in the morning will fail to break through it. Open up a short position and close that short position after a sharp drop midday until like a low probably here around between 12 and 1. Now, if I'm wrong about the low there between 12 and 1 and it doesn't take place, then the exit for that trade is going to be here just after 2 o'clock. But I don't think I'm wrong. If I'm right, then you want to close there, and then you could open up a long position at that time in the full card low and close the long position in the midst of a breakout here, rather than trading like closing a short. You're going to close a long here if I'm right about the low here midday. If I'm wrong about the low here midday, then you're closing a short here. Hopefully that makes sense. And that's TSLA for October 21st. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.